Hi everyone. We need to live a life like a volcano, not like a cold fish. A volcanic eruption. Okay, the volcano, there is the power within. Okay, and the power which is within the volcano is shown when the volcano erupts. Okay, we should not live our life like a cold fish. Always we need to have the faith in our inner strength, the faith in our confidence that we can do anything in the world. We need to believe in ourselves. Self belief is the great strength and secret to the success. Thank you all.